Hey everybody, it's me Bekesa and welcome back to our channel here at the Canva Cafe. Today we're going to do a super quick tutorial on how to do your own YouTube thumbnail. So first we'll start off with the dimensions of 120 get it together Bekesa, 1280 by 720 pixels, and that's the recommendation for YouTube. My own actually is bigger than that. I don't remember what it is right now, but it's bigger. So I decided to go with a grid and I placed it on our background, and you can size it to whatever size you want. And I went into Pinterest and I found an image of a young lady looking like she, is a boss girl working from home. So I thought this would be a great image to go along with our topic. And it's going to be about a wig maker, of course. So you could just size it. I'm just cropping it to put how much of the image I wanted in there. And then I'm going to go with a text. I might be talking a little bit ahead of the video because I don't want the time to run out and I don't tell you what I'm doing. So I'm going to put the text onto the page, and I'm going to change the font. And you'll see that when I was writing this, I couldn't remember what the title I wanted it to be. I kept knowing that I wanted it to be something, but I couldn't remember what it was. So you'll see me like adjust the title a few times and then I'll resize it. So I'm just going to be quiet until it's time for me to come back. And hit the like button for this background beat. Once again, that was provided for me by my daughter, copyright free. Thanks, Atis. So here I'm just sizing everything, and as you see I did change the font, and I used the line spacer to bring my words a little closer to each other. And here's the part where, is it the part? I don't know. Yeah, where I didn't know what I was writing and I had to sit and think, and I eventually changed it if I didn't edit it out. In here, I like to combine different types of fonts. So I put a cursive or a handwritten font with a font that's not. And I will go over in another video the differences between fonts and what fonts are used to do what, when, where, how, and why. So I'm just going to change up the colors. Right now, the thumbnail is basically done. You can just do that and you're done. But I'm just going to now show you some creative ways that I, make my things pop. So I'm just adding a shadow to the word and using different colors, to coordinate with the images. So I'm going to blow it up so you can see a little bit better what I'm trying to do. And although it's finished, I wanted to do a little bit more extra, so I'm going to add an element. And I decided to go with a gold line to be a divider, just to add a little extra pop of something. You don't have to do this step, but of course, I'm extra, so I'm just going to do it. Plus, I want to do it to just give you another option. I like to give a lot of options because my brain is overflowing with options and creativity. So why not share it with you? And then after I did that, I decided, hey, let me do 50 million different versions of it just so you could get an idea of other things you can do. So I'm searching for another element just to add another little extra thing. So I decided to go with that gold square rectangle. But because the way the element was or is, I couldn't stretch it out. So I decided to turn it sideways, and it ended up working out pretty good. And ordinarily, I would put a drop shadow behind that element to make it lift off the page and be a little bit more dramatic. But this particular element, you can't add a shadow. And I say you can't because Canva doesn't allow you to, but I have a trick to being able to add shadows to things that Canva doesn't allow you to add shadows to. And I'll do that in another video if you want me to make another video on how I do that trick. So now that square just added a little extra something to it, you know. You don't need much. I always say if you use great elements or professional looking elements, you'll have professional looking products. So now I think I'm just going to play around with different colors just so you can get an idea of what you can do, or, you know, just some extra ideas. And this is another tip that I do. I do several colors of everything just so I can have something to choose from. And if you found this video very helpful, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave in the comment section any other tutorials. Why did I say it like that? Any other tutorials that you're interested in. Leave it in the comment section so I can what? So I can try and make it. And once again, thank you for watching the video. I really hope it was very easy and simple to follow along. And here again, I decided to add another little something extra, child. I just won't stop. But it's just so that you could see other ways to finesse your design. And then after this, I do believe I'm going to change and do different colors just so you could see different color versions. Oh no, I didn't. I lied. I put a sewing machine to add to the effect of a day in the life of a wig maker. How about a day in the life of an editor? And just like that, you could have made several templates and just change out your colors and the images. And that way you could stay on brand and make your life simple, child. And now the tutorial is about to end. And thank you for watching the video. And if you made it this far, drop the word life down in the comment section. And once again, thank you so much. Love you. Bye-bye.